So this is the constitution of the Iteso Cultural Union, and for us it hasn't really been readily available, and Miss Tourism Teso would like to share it with everyone out there who is from Teso, because we believe that it is our right to know what is in our constitution.
The Article 1 is basically handles issues of the name of the first region, which being the northern region, covers Katakwi, Soroti, Kaberamaido, and Amuria. It is not supposed to engage in active partisan politics. That is also one of the qualifications here. So if you are youth representative, because in Uganda, a youth is described between 18 and 35. However, this constitution of which you says that for purposes of representation of the committees, there shall be 2 youths, 1 lady and 1 gentleman. A person seeking to be elected as such shall be above 18.